right what we're talking about in our next segment, and that is Lyft. You're giving out some bonuses, but Lyft giveth, and Lyft has been takeneth. So,
Yeah.
Sergio, why don't you take this one then?
Wait, 3,600 with 200 rides in 30 days? What? Is that the new stuff they got out now?
That is when was this, Serge?
Sergio
Serge,
dropped
where'd
out.
Sergio go? He dropped out. Okay. So this is recent, yes. So LA drivers, you can earn $3,600 in guaranteed with 200 rides in 30 days.
That's LA, yeah. Because we don't have that in Phoenix. That's crazy.
Yeah,
and this is why everybody's taking the bus fare rides. They're taking a $3.48 rides because they're trying to close out this 3,600, and that means
you know what?
As experienced drivers, we're gone.
Hey, you know what though? Here's the thing. I just got a $1,200 guarantee for 60 rides. What do you think I did? I took all shorties on Lyft.
Yep.
all shorties. And then the best part, I coupled it with the streak bonuses that they were giving. I only went out during the times that they had streak bonuses. On top of that, I mean the streak bonuses, I got a shit ton in the guarantee, and then I just said, okay, whatever. That ended last week. They gave me another one. I'm like, okay, I'll keep doing these bonuses if you keep giving me. That's fine.
Yeah. They must be trying to make it look lucrative or something for people who are new, and then they just like drop the hammer on them, get them all to buy all of this stuff and invest in all these cars and invest in all of this stuff, and they just pull a rug from right up under and be like, "Oh, we're going to start back to zero again."
Yeah. Like, all right, Jeff, I got one question for you, real quick though. If you saw this 3,600 for the rides, would you do it? Would you jump on it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
200 rides in 30 days.
Absolutely.
In the winter time, summertime, no. Winter, I could do it. I could do it in the winter. I could do it.
Bro, let me tell you something. I would knock this out in less than 10 days. Okay, maybe in a week. Maybe in a week.
Probably. But hold on. Let's go into the opposite side of the other side after you give the 200 rides or after you hit the bonus. What's going on? And this is where Lyft do not do this to try to make back your money.
Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. So driving in style. Thank you for the super sticker. I got logged out for a second. So I got this letter from a Lyft driver, and it says, when I tell you I'm furious, I really mean it. Well, obviously you do. The real reason Lyft took $700 from me is unknown, of course. When I called them, asked why they were doing this to me, they had no answer. I've sent plenty of emails and sent her, by the way, we have to do a segment on, since Lyft went to in-app chat only, the shit's it's just horrible right now, okay? I find it outrageous that they're accusing me of what I've done. And, this guy didn't do anything, but one morning he woke up, you guys will see it on the screenshots coming up, and he's got negative $700 in his account, believe it or not, Jeff. It says, I've been seeing a lot of comments pointing this to GPS spoofing. Okay, whoever knows that knows that. GPS spoofing is something, you put yourself where you're not, and then Lyft catches you and then takes all your money away, saying that you committed fraud. This guy, nothing close to it, right? I haven't done anything like that, and I have no idea how I would even attempt to. I do recall, though, seeing people located in impossible areas from the Rider app. Yep, no shit.
Yep.
So I'm assuming now I got hit in the crossfire just for being near that area or something. I'm honestly not even sure. But surely they have something in their system that can track my driving habits properly. Yes, sir, they do. They know every inch of your traveling. And then it says, I sent a few more emails to them, to their team. I'll update you. So far, nothing, right? Well, here you go. This guy woke up on a Monday morning, and he saw negative 637 in his account. And you know what?
That's insane.
Look at all these trips that he did. Some of the examples, right? He $32.50 bonus, $26.50 bonus, $50 bonus, $15. All these surge trips. He did some Excels, mostly Excels. So this guy did what he's supposed to do, right?
Yep.
So actually, his weekly gross was about $1,350, but then he cashed out, and the next morning he woke up, he saw a negative 637. Now it's got to work, and this is the email from Lyft he got. Your account has been flagged by our system due to a misuse of the Lyft platform. Bullshit, Lyft. There have been recent bonuses which have been flagged by our system and submitted for review, which they do on Uber as well. If you have like a $40, $50 surge, they will not pay you for like 72 hours. They have to figure out like, how did this guy get $40, $50 surge, right? Well,
on $8.
After further review from our risk team, look at all these teams these people have, right? We will be deducting a total of $784.50 from future earnings. Please note, Lyft reserves the right to withhold or a portion of bonuses or ride fares. So this guy did exactly what he's supposed to do. He didn't spoof his GPS. He didn't do anything illegal. And now he's in the hole for $700. John Zimmer, this is why you're losing drivers. Okay? You don't trust me. There may be a few bad apples in your system. I'll give you that. I'm not going to deny that. But good, hardworking drivers, when you do this to them, they will never drive for you again. They may take the hit once. They will never, ever drive for you. Here's the thing.
It says your future earnings. I wouldn't be on that platform again until that was taken care of.
Yep.
And until they owe me all that money back.
But I'm gonna tell you what's screwed up with the Lyft app.
I'm not. I look. I didn't do any of that. You want to do that? You prove it to me that you were the ones who see that misuse. You prove it to me. You don't. Other than that, I ain't giving you the money back. I'm not going. Chris, I'm not hitting go online again. I'll go on Uber.
Chris, don't they have the GPS signal on each one of these trips, where it started, where it ended? Yeah. I mean, some people spoof their GPS and their trips start in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. I understand. You have all the data. Represent it to the guy. I mean, hey, look, you picked up on top of a tree. That little tree that is not growing, not that tree. Another tree.
But I drive. See, I drive predominantly Lyft, and Lyft sends me messages all the time when I'm sitting right next to the pickup. They'll send me a message going, "Arriving too soon?" ? But I'm sitting right next to it. So I always click arrive anyway, passenger walk to me, because you have no other choice.
Yeah.
Because it'll say GPS connection issue, but there's no GPS. I'm sitting on the spot you told me to pick up, and it'll say arriving too soon. So I don't know where their system is showing my car. But on my phone, my car is sitting right where it should be sitting. So I just put passenger walk to me.
Case of arbitration for sure. 100%.
They do it all the time. Lyft does it all the time, man. It's every probably 4 trips I get arriving too soon. I'm like, customer walk to me. Like, no, I'm right where you told me to go. It's like I'm not playing that game with y'all.
Yeah, I mean, the Bear Claws has a great comment here. I think they're talking about spoofing to get surge. Yeah, they do that. There are a few bad apples. They do that still, but Bear Claws, they stopped that on their system because they figure out your elevation now. Okay, I'm not going to say anything about me, but I had friends who did that. In LA, being as flat as it is, they used to spoof their GPS. And then if you're like at 300 above sea level, and then you're picking up at the same time, you look like you are at sea level. They figured it out and they deactivated all those drivers. They stole this guy's money, man. You have all the information. Look at the information. The risk team did not look at that information, obviously. Okay.
Dang.
Because this guy is like swearing. He goes, I talked to him. He goes, I swear I didn't do anything like that. I go, yeah, you just got caught in the crossfire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So that is definitely something that you don't do. Like they got to fix their system, because not only on that, it's the ETAs that are an issue too. So like you see on a map on the request screen that comes in, it'll say 10 minutes to the pickup. When you actually do the map, it's like 14, 16 minutes away. Even the distance is wrong. So it's like you got to fix your shit.
Yeah, get that a lot.
You got GPS issues. That's on you. That's not on me.
Yeah.
Like, why would I want to do that unless I'm actually where I'm at? Especially since they have.
I don't know Lyft. Like I said, I drive predominantly Lyft, and I don't know if their GPS signal is strong enough. But a lot of times I'll show up to where the people are, and they're just walking away from me, like I'm not showing up. And I'll message them, and it says delivered, but they never message back. So I don't know what the deal is with the Lyft system. And I'll cancel, like I'll call them, and it'll go to voicemail. I'll cancel, get the cancellation fee. I got tons of cancellation fees from that. I don't think their app is working. I just don't think it's working. Like something's wrong with it.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.